GW Edwards from Rhyduchaf. Been here 25 years now, and I started the lights 1991 when my daughter was born. She's named Kirsty, and I've gone on from there. I added a bit more the year after, and I never thought I would be doing this today, this amount of lights.
Is there a pressure every year to get better?
Yes, there is a pressure every year. With my work, I've got to juggle everything with my work and these lights. As long as you start early in the year, we can then move forward with everything else.
Have you got any idea how much light you've got here then?
I can't give you an answer to that one. If anybody wants to come around to count the bulbs, they're welcome to.
And you raise money for charity?
Yes, we raise money for charity, yeah.
Which charities do you support then?
Well, we do a bit with cancer, and as much as we can with anything else, like different.
Is it difficult with the wind and stuff because you're out in the sticks here?
It's difficult with the wind. The worst one I've got is the one 35 foot high, which is the ball, which it's all electronically controlled, and 60 sticks on the ball, which we get one or two snapping off with a high wind because they're moving up and down. So we got a bit of a problem there. Everything else seems fine because they're all flat on the walls. So they don't move very often.
And I guess the question that everybody wants to know, how much electric do you use?
Last year was over £1,000 last year. So we're expecting a bit more this year. So hopefully we can afford to pay it.
And when the kids come here, they're smiling, I guess it's worth it.
So they've come through the gates, and before the gate they can see the lights, but they've opened their eyes and you can see them all. They're a bit scared of the Santa, but they seem to don't want to go from here. So you know, I'm always here every night to entertain everybody, and I try my best to keep everybody happy.